Welcome to the place where ideas glow, dreams ignite and brilliance shows. Canvas blank to master's hue, Design Institute.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create free vector like this for Adobe Stock. So let's join with me. First of all, we like image like this, so we're gonna to save it. I'm gonna to save it. Yeah, then come here. This is a website imageprompt.org. Here is we will upload the image. So here the image is upload. Now we generate prompt. It is free. You you didn't need to pay for this one. So copy here this, go to here, its website LM Arena. So here we select two better. We can create is a time to image with different tools. Here is one audiogram and others Felix 2 Pro. So here is I will paste the prompt. So here is generate now. So let's see, it is going to be generated soon. I will post the video. So now, so check this one, how beautiful create it is. So now we are going to save this dog one, and now I'm gonna to save this one dog 2. So let's bring in the software. Now you didn't need, if you don't know how to use CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, any vector software, so here is a software I will tell you in the end of the video. First of all, select the dog, click here full automatically. Here is wait for created. I will show you in Adobe Illustrator how it is smooth and how it is work, and we can also change the color of the dog. So wait for this one. Now it is going to convert a vector, so you can save in every format like SVG, APS, PDF. It's up to you which one you like. You can save theirs. So let's see, wait for it. So now you can check it how smooth it is. It is convert to a vector, how sharp it is. You can see it. Now it is done. You can save with a different file. You can see here. So I'm going to save as Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so now I'm going to convert the other one. I don't want to waste your time, so let's convert and then I will show you. So now check this one. I also convert this to a vector format. So I'm gonna to save it as also. I will show you in Adobe Illustrator how it is smoothly work and we can change the color. So let's open here in Adobe Illustrator. Number, for example, I will open this one. Just wait to see. Oh my god, you can see the detail. Select the color and I will show you the different color. See, you can change every color. Here is some detail, we can fix it. So you can see it, we can change the color, everything. So you will check this, how beautiful. You can change color, everything according to your color, and you can upload on Shutterstock. See, this image is pay for $40. So now we will check the other one. You can save. Yes, it is save whatever I want. You can. So now let's check the other one. This one. I will draw the rectangle. So I will change this color. I will send to back. You can see how beautiful it is. So now check this one and you can change the color. Look, what color do you like? You can, if you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.